What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back with another video for you guys. I know you guys must be like, damn girl, you chopped all your hair off. I did. I got a haircut last week. I felt like my hair was kind of dry and I had highlights prior to that, and I felt like it was time to chop it all off so it can grow out all healthy. And as you guys can see, it does look healthier and feels healthier. I love my haircut. I cut my hair down the street actually. I think it's this Cuban lady. I think she did a great job, but I'm loving my cut, you guys. I did get a little inspired by Kim K on her launching the concealers. I don't know if you guys saw the blonde short wig that she wore. I really like that hairstyle. Just feeling it. I love it. I think she did a great job as far as showing her the picture and going through with the kind of hairstyle that I wanted. I love it. Enough of the rambling. I know you guys been waiting for so long for me to actually show you the PR package that I got, my first one ever. I promised you guys I was gonna show you what I got. This is an unboxing of everything I've gotten so far in PR. I don't have none of the boxes. I threw it all away. Just can't deal with the boxes just stacking up. I'll try and save the box for the next PR package that I do get, but I am gonna show you guys the first brand, and the first brand is Besame Cosmetics. They are based in California, and I absolutely love their story and the way that they came about. Cosmetics went all out with me. They sent me so many goodies. I absolutely love everything they sent me, and I'm just gonna jump right into the video and show you guys what I got. I also did get other PR packages from other brands that are working with me as well. I'm so excited for you guys to see what I got. You guys want to see what I got from PR so far. I hope you guys did enjoy my last video. It was a Pretty Little Thing haul that I did, a few goodies that I picked up. This jacket was also supposed to be in that haul because I did get it in that same purchase. I'm sorry you guys, I missed this jacket. It's beautiful. It's like a shredded jacket and it has like these ruffles on the sleeves. Absolutely love it. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed my last video, and I'm just gonna jump right into the video and show you guys all the stuff that I got from PR so far. So now believe that they sent me this package. Like when I saw the box, I was like, wait, wow, this is so big. They sent me a bag. Look at this bag. So beautiful. It literally feels like leather, starting with gold at the bottom. It's like a little luggage bag. It's so freaking cute. Here it says Besame Cosmetics, and you just open it like this. Just gonna open it and show you guys. This bag is so beautiful. Like when I saw it, I was like, oh my god. It went all out with me. And then you open it, and then look at all the stuff they sent me, you guys. So one of the first things they sent me was their French Vanilla face powder. And if you guys do follow me on Instagram, I did go ahead and use their product, and I did take a picture after using their product. You guys, I wish every single banana powder or face powder smelled like this. You guys, they are one of a kind because they have a powder that actually smells amazing. It smells like vanilla. It smells like they take the actual vanilla bean and they just shred it into the powder. Oh my god. French Vanilla face powder. It's for all skin tone. It's a brightening powder, translucent powder, paraben free. You just go like this. It comes with a little puff. I thought it was amazing because they actually have like a lid here that protects the powder. It smells so freaking good. Oh my god. And I went ahead and I used it today. It looks amazing. As we'll be seeing me use this powder very often. So sent me a cream rouge. It's an instant rosy cheeks and lips. Look at this packaging. Oh my god. This is the color Apricot 705, and this too smells amazing. No lie, it smells so freaking good. And this, I'm just gonna grab a little bit so you guys can see how pigmented it is. This is for the cheeks or lips, either or. And this is 1938 inspired, you guys. So this goes way back, as you can see. The next thing they sent me was a translucent blush in the color Sunkissed Rouge. And this is the packaging. So cute. Twist it to the side, and there it is. Such a beautiful color. I'm gonna swatch it. And This is it right here. Very, very light. This product they sent me was a brush. This is the packaging. Absolutely love. I think one of the things I love about them is their packaging. It says Besame brushes are designed to bring back glamour and luxury to the process of creating a look. They make expert application effortless. Feels amazing, you guys. And it just says Besame on the barrel. So cute. I love. They sent me this lip brush and it just comes packaged like this. So cute. This looks so freaking classic. And it says Besame right there on this wooden piece, and then this is the lip brush. So cute, you guys. Oh my god. Then you just put it away like this and you're done. Next, they sent me 2 of their classic lipsticks. This is the shade Besame Red. This shade is a true color replica of the 1920 color. Look at this packaging for the lipstick. So freaking cute. Look at that, you guys. So beautiful. So it's like so rich in color. The color they sent me was Tango Red, which yeah, it is. And let's swatch it. This one's more like a corally red. They also did send me 2 sleeves made out of velvet for both lipsticks. And they look like this. Then they sent me this mini lipstick set with the color Noir Red, Cherry Red, Red Violet, Dusty Rose, and Chocolate Kiss. I'm gonna swatch at least 2 of them for you guys to see. I'm swatching 1969 Dusty Rose. Let me just push it up a bit. Oh my god, this is like a mauve color. Look at that. So fucking beautiful. And then I'm gonna swatch 1946, which is Red Violet. This one's a little darker. Look at that. The consistency is so creamy and so rich in color. I absolutely love this formula. Can't wait to try it in a video for you guys. I'm so excited at all the stuff they sent me. Thank you Besame Cosmetics so freaking much. I absolutely love everything you guys sent me. Absolutely love this package, you guys. I'm so freaking excited to use this. Moving forward, the next package I got. You guys, when I saw that I got a package from this brand, I went crazy. I was like, Bioderma? Bioderma? They sent me a package? No way.
Bioderma, no way.
Guess what? When I opened my box, first thing I saw was Nylon Beauty Hit List, which is their makeup removing solution. And it's this one, you guys. They literally even sent me the sticker on there to let your girl know. Guys, you think they sent me 1? They sent me 2. Look at this. They sent me 2. Each one is 16.7 ounces. I mean, this is like 4 cups of makeup remover solution. I have not tried this before, but I already know it's gonna be so good for my skin. It's great for sensitive skin as well. No parabens, non-rinsing, and hypoallergenic. They already know your girl. I cannot wait to try this, you guys. I'm obsessed with stuff that takes off my makeup and leaves my skin flawless. Like, I know for sure I'm gonna be obsessed with this. They sent me the Sensibio Eye, which is a eye contour gel for sensitive skin. It's anti-puffiness, soothes, and moisturizes your skin. Fragrance free. And that's it, right? Also sent me 25 makeup removing wipes in this little package. So freaking cute. Right now, I'm obsessed with Neutrogena, but this kicks Neutrogena off my hit list. There's gonna be problems because right now Neutrogena, I just need 1 wipe to remove my makeup with Neutrogena, but if this does it for me, I know I'm gonna be obsessed. If I try this, I will let you guys know if I'm obsessed with these wipes. Of course, I'm gonna tell you guys to go out and buy them. You guys, the next package I got, if you think I went crazy for Bioderma, imagine Coola. So one of the first things they sent me was a serum. I'm obsessed with serums, especially if they're organic. The one they sent me was the Fresh Relief Face Serum. It hydrates, balances, and shields your skin. It is 99.97% organic. This is all I need in my skin. Like, it's perfect. This is great for if you're in the sun a lot. Just relieve your face from the sun and the damages it does to you. It hydrates, balances, and shields your skin as well. Comes in this. It came with 1 fluid ounce, which is a lot for me to try. Next thing they sent me was Lip Lux. They have a whole bunch of colors. It's 70% organic, which I love. It's SPF 30 and it's tinted mineral lip lux, which is like, it's just like a lip balm, but it has color in it. This one's in Nude Beach. It smells like salted caramel. It smells even stronger than caramel. So freaking good. This is always in my bag. I had to go to my bag to show you guys because it was in my bag already. Forward, the next brand that sent me a package was Found Cosmetics. They are in Walmart. They did send me a exfoliating lip scrub, which is one of their Found favorites. It looks like this. I'm not sure what ingredients this has, but it's an exfoliating lip scrub. It has like these little black chunks in it. I will look into it and see what it has in there, but I will be trying this and see how it works. And they also sent me a Found eyeshadow palette. So cute. It looks like this. It has a lot of pink shimmery tones and neutral tones. It has silver, purpley. I'm gonna swatch one just to see. Oh my god, you guys, it actually has gray pigment. It feels pretty nice. Once I try it, I will know if they're worth it or not, but it looks so cute. This is Found Cosmetics. Next brand that sent me a package was Isadora Cosmetics, and they sent me the Zinfandel Perfect Moisture Lipstick. Oh, it looks, ooh, this is so pretty actually. It's almost like a wine color with little sparkle. I like it. Can't wait to try it on my lips. And next they sent me the Twist Up Matte Lips. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It looks like a lipstick. Oh my god, it feels so soft. And this is the color. It looks like a Barbie pink. You guys can see that. So cute. It feels super soft when you're applying it. So I can't wait to try it. Thank you, Isadora. And thank you, Found Cosmetics. And last but not least, the last brand that sent me a package actually yesterday was Mad Hippie. This is a skincare brand, and this is the Mad Hippie Cream Cleanser, normal to dry skin. And it has 13 actives: jojoba oil, green tea, macadamia oil, and orchid extract. This is supposed to balance, remove free radicals and impurities while moisturizing and protecting your skin. It's vegan, non-GMO, and cruelty-free. So I can't wait to try this because their packaging and everything looks so freaking bomb. This is the cleanser, and it brings a lot. It's actually 4 fluid ounce, so we'll definitely be trying this. And now that I'm actually moving my hand around, the Found Cosmetics eyeshadow palette has a lot of glitter, which is so cute. I cannot wait to try this color on my lid actually. This is like those cute eyeshadows that you wear like on a date night or on a night out, and your eyes look so glittery. I love it. Next product Mad Hippie sent me was a face cream for all skin types. It has acai, peptides, argan oil, and resveratrol. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles, smooth and hydrate the skin. This one right here. This is also vegan, non-GMO, and cruelty-free. So good. Cannot wait to try it. I'm so happy with all the products that I've been getting so far. I cannot wait to try all of them. So that is it, you guys. Those are all the brands that have sent me packages so far, and I'm so delighted, so happy to have those packages. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for your constant love and support. I can't believe we've came this far. I can't believe that I've gotten so much PR from all these brands that actually believed in me. We've came such a long way, and I just want to thank you guys. Truly thank you guys for all the love and support. I'm so excited to see what else is in store for me, and I just want to thank all those brands out there that actually sent me a package. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.